Of what Ravi and Girish had worked out. They worked out several drafts. In fact, what we shot finally was the 16th or the 17th draft. That's how hard they worked on the script. Every detailing, we had continuous discussions for almost a year before we went on to shoot the film. It was a tireless journey for them. And I'll come to that. The tireless journey was not just to make the script. Convincing actors to do their parts also is one important aspect of filmmaking. I think the rest of it Ravi and Girish can share with you. I've said enough. I pass the baton to them. Continue, Ravi.
Ravi, the director, please give a big hand.
Ravi will be he's basically originally a gold medalist from KJ School of Arts. He's won 7 gold medals. He's an artist. He's a painter. He's a cartoonist. He's an illustrator. Rest of it you see.
I think I should put a full stop now. It's good.
So, in fact, if you've seen the film, the art gallery, all the canvases in the art gallery, all were done by him personally.
Wow. Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. So yeah, I think Saras put it, he's put it out there. So I remember meeting him for the first time, and the seed of an idea was discussed, and I said it's exciting with mother and daughter conflict, and to me it's an amazing bond if I can put a conflict to it. And I always told him, let's make a relevant story. Let's make a story of us as a society, what's happening around us. And he agreed that vision, and he said, okay, this is exciting, let's get on with it. And that's when we met, and we said, okay, let's get into writing it, because even though it feels like a very simple story, but it's the characters and what's going to happen with them is what's going to hook the people in the audience. So yeah, that's how it started, and we spent, like Sir said, we spent a lot of time, because it's important to spend time, to do the best for your film. And yeah, it was interesting, and filmmaking is a long, it's a long journey. You meet an actor and convince them, and you go through their point of view. You try to sell your point of view. It's not an easy task, but I think if you believe in your material, if you're convinced about your idea, and everything else just happens, they fall into place. So yeah, I'm really lucky, because he's like truly a director's producer, and everything was great, because you walk in and he made sure that I've got what I wanted. From obviously Ma'am, Nawaz, Akshay, even my secondary characters, I think we spent a lot of time detailing each character, with Girish. Like, all characters have a backstory, even though you don't see them in the film, sir. It's like you know where they come from. So we've gone into details like that. And that's how, we've worked on this film, and the result is there.
And the auditioning. Ravi auditioned more than 100 girls for the stepdaughter's role.
Yeah, it was tough. It was really tough, because
you can get real daughter, but stepdaughter is very difficult.
No, and plus I wanted somebody who can, do a face-off with Ma'am. Ma'am being doing a 300 film. With the kind of experience she's carrying, I wanted someone who can, deliver, be on par. I think Sajal delivered that. I'll pass it on to
Girish ji, the writer.
In fact, our auditions.
Yeah. So all the auditions of all the characters, the scenes we wrote, it was a different scene written to understand how they perform. So we wrote, that's a different script altogether, just for the audition. And so we wrote it, okay, if this is the character, let's not give him this. And let's work a story, and let's give him, it's a different audition. So they were auditioning for something which wasn't there in the film, and that's how we picked them. Very interesting.
In fact, the smallest of the characters also was picked up after going through some major exercise. Babu Ram's character, who's playing the security man. Although it's a small role, but it's an important role. Ravi and Girish were very keen to cast one particular actor.
Yeah, in fact, we waited for him. He was traveling.
He was not available,
So that's what only a great producer who understands the vision. He said, okay, wait. If you want him, we'll make it happen. So that's how it happened. And
we turned the whole schedule around to see that we get that guy.
so yeah, I mean, this
small character.
scene, if you see it, it's not that lengthy.
So now I would like you to question, please, because we have to proceed for the show, for the inauguration part of it. So it was a brief meeting between us. So there is going to be master class followed by the AV and all this. So please ask questions.
Or you said that is your contribution, your association with the institute, and also some message to the student.
Well, my contribution is only my support to this institute and my love and affection and respect for Subhashji, my love and respect for Meghna. They put up this magnificent institute. I mean, anything I say would fall short of what I feel about the entire effort that they put in to put up this great institute.
Any message to the children?
Well, you've got a fantastic facility, utilize it to the hilt, and make sure you make Subhash Ghai and his institute, and of course Meghna and the team proud of what they've offered you on a platter, to take their career forward, to make something out of all what they've learned from here, to achieve something, and make sure the institute shines and more students gain from all what has been created by Mr. Ghai.
अक्सर ऐसा देखा जाता है कि पहले जो सिनेमा होती थी वो उनके डायलॉग्स, उनके गाने, उनके हर एक चीज़ को हम जहन में रखते थे। अभी भी हम उसका उच्चारण करते हैं, उसके गुनगुनाते हैं गाने। लेकिन अभी का जो मूवी बन रहा है, उस पे क्या कहेंगे कि वो उस चीज़ को याद क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे हैं? क्या वो कम्युनिकेशन गैप है या फिर वो अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट की ये नहीं?
किसी भी पुत्र ने अपने पिता की कॉपी नहीं की है। हर जनरेशन में एक अपनी नई सेंसिबिलिटी आती है, नई सेंसिटिविटी आती है, सोशल फैब्रिक्स आते हैं। हर बार सिनेमा चेंज हुआ है। जब हम भी यंगस्टर थे तो हमें भी कहा जाता था कि उस तरह की फिल्में क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं, क्या सही का नाम ऐसे। उसी तरह से हर समय 30 साल के बाद 20 साल के बाद एक साइकिल चलती है। आज की साइकिल के हिसाब से जो फिल्म बना रहे हैं लोग, इतनी अच्छी फिल्म बना रहे हैं कि मैं खुद हैरान होता हूँ, बहुत खुश होता हूँ उन्हें देख के। देयर सेंस ऑफ सिनेमा कंपोजिशंस एंड दी टेकिंग द स्टोरी फॉरवर्ड, the way the Girish and Ravi have taken. And I would say that the real hero is the producer, director and the writer. अगर आप लोग ये समझ जाएं तो आपको स्टार की कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, क्योंकि ये लोग हैं जिन्होंने नाम बनाए MOM, बाकी तो आर्टिस्ट हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं।
तो मतलब आप मानते हैं कि जो अभी की जो सिनेमा होती है, चाहे हम बात कर ले शुभमंगल साधा की, वो कंटेंट बेस्ड एक मूवी है, तो स्टार को देख के मूवी देखने आ रहे हैं या अभी कंटेंट को?
पहले भी ऐसा था, आज भी ऐसा है। पहले भी अर्थ सत्य बनती थी, पैरेलल सिनेमा था, स्मॉल बजट फिल्म बनती थी, बड़ी फिल्में बनती थी। आज भी बड़ी फिल्में भी बनती हैं, छोटी बजट भी फिल्म बनती हैं, पैरेलल सिनेमा भी है। न्यू इश्यूज, न्यू सब्जेक्ट, न्यू कैरेक्टर्स का एक्सपेरिमेंट करने को हमको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है। एंड द टैलेंट लाइक देम, they really exploit the right kind of a opportunity and present a new kind of a cinema and new kind of stories, which is beautiful thing, which is progressive.
See, content has always been the king.
Yes.
In the early 60s, Sangam लगी थी, साथ में दोस्ती लगी थी।
जी।
संगम कलर पिक्चर थी, it was on a huge scale. साथ में दोस्ती लगी थी। उस जमाने में कलर के जमाने ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर है, with new star का।
Same business.
And it was a phenomenal hit. Same शोले के साथ जय संतोषी में लगी थी। तो जय संतोषी में तो कोई स्टार का सीन नहीं।
Yes.
Good content will always have. Stars are like center forwards. They can score a goal. But sometimes when the players are so good, they don't need center forwards. So that's basically the essence how a content can reach a wider audience.
One question?
अबू जैसे आपने कहा कि श्रीदेवी भी आपसे भी स्क्रिप्ट देखती थी, किस तरह की स्क्रिप्ट जी सुनती थी, सारी चीज़ें देखती थी। तो कितना आप जानवी लॉन्च हो रही है, कई खबरें आ रही हैं कि वो करण जौहर के होम प्रोडक्शन से आ रही हैं, आपकी होम प्रोडक्शन, रियल न्यूज़ क्या है और आप कितना स्क्रिप्ट पर ध्यान देंगे अगर वो लॉन्च होती है, किस तरह की?
देखिए, जानवी श्री से पहले अनिल भी मेरे जो छोटे भाई हैं उनके साथ भी मैं क्लोजली एसोसिएट रहा। स्क्रिप्ट के मामले में मैंने खाली अपना व्यू दिया है, काम उन्होंने करना है, कैमरा उन्होंने फेस करना है, डायरेक्टर को उनको मिलना है, राइटर को उनको मतलब राइटर से इंटरैक्ट करना है। तो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच दे हैव गॉट टू डिसाइड, दे हैव गॉट टू बी कन्विंस्ड, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी ऑन द सेट एवरी डे, दे आर गोइंग टू फेस द कैमरा, दे आर गोइंग टू इंटरैक्ट विद द डायरेक्टर writer, everybody else connected to the filmmaking. So it's entirely left to them. As a senior, as an elder, as an experienced person, I can only give my views. But they have their own views, they're matured enough, and they are children of today's world. So, things have got to be left to them too. Likewise, we've got to respect even the other actors, be it my wife, be it anybody else.
He gives a free hand to the director. I think Buri Kapoor is one of the best producer in India. आप इनको अगर एक स्टोरी सुनाइए कि एक गली की कहानी है, तो इनको ऐसा लगता है कि 6 गलियां और भी होनी चाहिए.
So looking at a very passionate person. He hears a story. If he likes it, तो उसके पीछे पड़ जाए. ये बनानी ऐसे नहीं कि 10 कहानियां जो तुक्का लग गया बन गई तो.
ये very
Passionate guy about something.
अब मुझे ही पता है कि कैसे नवाज को हमने चेस किया था.
नहीं, उन्होंने कहा चाहिए तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, you'll get it.
Thank you. Thank you very much, and let's go now. Yes, we are running out of time. Please shift to us. Thank you very much. No other question except long.